Hi everybody, this is the Left-Handed Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at this Ozark Trail multi-tool, but most people are going to call it a Swiss Army knife knockoff. It's basically a Victorinox knockoff. Anyways, this one has 8 different tools on it. And for being, a cheaper Ozark Trail knife, it's pretty solid. Take a look. This is a gray one I have. You can pick these up for about 10 bucks. And just give you a little comparison. This is the real Victorinox. This one has more tools on it than this one. It's just for a little comparison. Anyways, let's go through the different things it's got. First off, it's got a screwdriver. It's got a cork bore, which is this guy right here. See if I can get it out. This is a cork bore. It's got, let's see what's on this side here. Okay, this is its knife, just typical knife. Does the job. Then, it wouldn't be a Swiss Army knife unless it had a pair of scissors. And my light just went out. Awesome. Let's see here. Oops. Let's see here. There, back on. Okay. Everything on this side. Let's see what else we got here. Close that up. Close that up. It's got, that's a cork bore. Okay, it's got a flathead screwdriver and bottle opener on here. And it's got it's a can opener. This is the can opener here. And they're also claiming this is a tool or a feature. A little key ring. But it is solid though for a little guy. For the Ozark, it is fairly decent, I would say. And let's see what she's weighing in at. .8 ounces, not too bad. And for length, we got about 3.5 inches. And for the blade itself, let's see, what is that? About 2 and a little over 2 1/4. And with the blade open and the handle, about 6 1/4. Anyways, a little overview. Also, one more thing. Next week's video I'm going to put up, or I don't know, next week or probably the next video I put up, it's going to be actually a gun again. Haven't made a gun video in a while because I'm out of firearms, and I only video stuff that I own. I don't borrow anything or any of that. Any video you see on my channel is my stuff. So I actually have a gun supposed to pick up tomorrow. So so hopefully I'll get a video out either for next week or the week after, something like that. Depends how lazy I am. Anyways, remember to like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And remember, let's go, Brandon. Until next week, later.